Dear students, Assalamu alaikum to all of you. The topic for today is legacy of partition. This topic is meant for the students of political science of class 12th. Legacy of partition. As you are well aware of the fact that India was divided into two nation states, India and Pakistan, according to the Mountbatten Plan. And this partition left a number of problems unsolved and unanswered. The biggest problem before India at that time was national integration. Pandit Nehru, who is known as the architect of nation building of India, clearly stated that India is not merely historical or geographical unity, but it has the unique ability of synthesizing alien culture with its own, and this has been the secret of India's unity. India is a secular state. That is why we see unity in diversity. Indians believe on the principle that the whole world belongs to one family. In India, we have cultural, religion, we have cultural, religious, lingual and ethnic diversity. Still people live in peace, and despite diversity there is unity. Today, petty politicians use caste, language, religion as tool for their political ends, but we see there is turmoil and anarchy everywhere. We must promote and protect the strong secular fabric of India, the foundation of which was laid by Pandit Nehru. Now, partition. India was divided into two nation states, India and Pakistan, in 1947. This division was based on the two-nation theory that was educated by the Muslim League. Congress was strongly opposed to it. But the political developments in the 40s, competition between the two political parties, and the seeds of hatred sown by the Britishers finally led to the partition of the country. The idea of partition seemed simple, but it was a complicated phenomenon for a land having diverse nature. It was decided that India would be partitioned into two states. The Muslim majority areas were to go to Pakistan, but there were several problems confronted with this partition. Number one, areas of Muslim majority not clearly delineated. There was not a single Muslim majority area in India, though there was concentration of Muslims on the eastern and western side. It was not possible to join both these zones. As a compromise, Pakistan was to have two zones, West and East Pakistan, separated by a long expanse of Indian territory, and the west and east side was not linked by road. East side of Pakistan is eastern Pakistan, that is nowadays Bangladesh, and western Pakistan is Pakistan of today. Point number two, opposition within Muslim areas. All Muslim majority areas did not want to join Pakistan. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, the undisputed leader of NWF, was strongly opposed to the two-nation theory. He is known as the Frontier Gandhi. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, जो सूबाई सरहद का अनडिस्प्यूटेड लीडर था और जिसको सरहदी गांधी के नाम से जाना जाता था, वो इस टू नेशन थ्योरी के खिलाफ था, but his voice was ignored and NWF merged with Pakistan. Bifurcation of certain provinces. The two Muslim majority areas of Punjab and Bengal had large areas where non-Muslims were also in majority. It was not possible to bifurcate these two states within 2 days, 14th and 15th August 1947. So a large number of people did not know on the day of independence whether they were in India or Pakistan. The process of partition brought trauma to them. Problem of minorities. Point number 4. A large number of minorities, Hindus and Muslims in Pakistan and Muslims in India, Bengal and Punjab, found themselves trapped. They became easy prey of criminal forces. Our leaders thought that this violence was short-lived, but it escalated beyond limits. Thousands of people lost their lives because of criminal violence, and minorities had to leave homes at short notices, and this further aggravated the situation. Dear students, I think this is enough for today, because yesterday I had a lengthy lecture and uploading of that failed 3 times. As such, I could not share that lecture in the concerned WhatsApp group of our school. I apologize for that. Thanks. Inshallah, from tomorrow I will start from this point so that you will get the maximum benefit. Khuda Hafiz. Stay home, stay safe.